Why do earthquakes happen on fault lines? Imagine the ground suddenly shaking beneath your feet, causing buildings to sway and roads to crack. That's what happens during an earthquake, and it all ties back to where these events occur most often. If you live near a fault line, understanding why earthquakes happen there can help you prepare better. The Earth's outer shell, called the crust, is made up of large pieces called tectonic plates. These plates are always moving, but their edges often get stuck because of friction. Fault lines are the cracks or fractures in the Earth's crust where these plates meet or slide past each other. Think of fault lines as the fault lines in a cracked piece of glass. When the plates move, stress builds up along these cracks. Over time, the stress becomes too much for the rocks to handle. When that happens, the rocks suddenly slip or break along the fault line. This quick movement releases a lot of stored energy in the form of seismic waves. These waves shake the ground and cause the shaking we feel during an earthquake. There are different kinds of fault lines based on how the plates move. Some fault lines, called strike-slip faults, cause the plates to slide past each other side to side. The San Andreas Fault in California is a famous example of this. Other faults, called normal faults, happen when one block of rock moves downward relative to another, usually where plates are pulling apart. Thrust or reverse faults occur when one block is pushed up over another, common where plates collide and squeeze together. Most earthquakes happen along the edges of tectonic plates because that is where the most movement and stress gather. But sometimes, earthquakes can happen inside a plate along a fault from the edges. These are less common but still possible. Knowing that earthquakes happen on fault lines helps in emergency preparedness. If you live near a fault, it's smart to build or reinforce your home to withstand shaking. Keep an emergency kit ready with food, water, and supplies. Have a plan for how to stay safe during shaking, like dropping to the ground, taking cover under sturdy furniture, and holding on. Also, be aware that aftershocks can follow the main quake, so stay alert even after the shaking stops. Understanding why earthquakes happen on fault lines shows why it's important to be prepared. Knowing the risks can help you stay safe and protect your loved ones when the ground suddenly moves.